Hello, today we are show you how to change your crypto from MEXC to your Wise account. Firstly, select your crypto pair and click Exchange. In our case it's USDT TRC20, but you can also use Bitcoin, Ethereum and other crypto. Enter your Wise email where you will receive the money and email to contact you. Confirm your information. Then copy the USDT TRC20 address and go to the MEXC. Click Wallets. Click Spot. Click Withdraw. Paste the copied address in address field. Choose TRX network and enter amount you want to cash out. Then click Submit button and confirm transaction. Then go back to the BoltChange and click I have paid button. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.